In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an event on Squarespace. We'll start right from your site's dashboard. First, head into the website area. This is where you manage everything your visitors can see. From there, open Pages. Think of Pages as your site's table of contents. Every section you add or rearrange will live here, so it's the perfect place to create and organize your event. Next, look for the plus icon to add something new. Clicking that opens Squarespace's content options. Choose the option for an events group. This creates a dedicated events collection, which is ideal if you'll host more than one event over time. It gives you a built-in structure for listing, sorting, and displaying individual events in a consistent, professional layout. When the events options appear, select a pre-made event design. These templates come with thoughtful sections already in place. Typically a title area, date and time, location details, description, imagery, and space for a call to action. Don't worry about picking the perfect one on the first try. You can always customize the layout and styling later to match your brand. After your event is created, rename it to something clear and specific. Use the actual event name so it's easy to spot in your Pages panel, and if it shows in your navigation, easy for visitors to recognize. Keeping names concise but descriptive helps with both organization and discoverability. While you're there, it's a good moment to make sure the internal name and the visible page title match what attendees will expect. Now, open the event by clicking Edit. This takes you into the visual editor where you can work directly on the page. Replace the placeholder content with your real details. Update the event title so it's front and center. Add the date and start time and include the location, whether it's a physical venue or an online link. Write a brief, benefit-focused description that tells people what they'll learn or experience, and add a compelling image or banner to draw attention. If you have a registration link or contact form, update the button text and destination so visitors know exactly how to sign up. As you fine-tune, keep formatting consistent, check time zones, and add concise alt text to images for accessibility. That's it. You navigated to your site, opened Pages, added an events group, chose a pre-made event, gave it a clear name, and edited the template content to fit your needs. With those pieces in place, your event page is ready to showcase and share.